Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to batch convert multiple CSV files to Excel automatically using EasyMorph. If you have a folder full of CSVs and you need all of them converted to Excel files, this does it in seconds. No coding, no manual work, so let's get started. So to download EasyMorph, go to easymorph.com and hover over download in the menu and select download EasyMorph. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the download button. Just click on the download button. The installation will take place and you'll be ready to use EasyMorph in couple of minutes. I already have it installed on my computer. So let me open my folder with 10 CSV files. So, one for each department: the sales team, marketing team, IT team, engineering team, and so on. I need all of them converted to Excel. Doing this one by one takes time. So, let me show you how to do them all at once. Now, let me open EasyMorph and I will create new blank project. And now I will start by creating a module. Think of a module as a mini workflow that we will run once for each CSV file. So in this module, I will add data, import file, import delimited text file, and select one file from our CSV files and click open. And now I will create a parameter called folder path and give it a default value of test. And this parameter will receive the actual file path later when we run the iteration. On the same table, I will add an action called export into Excel file. And now I will create another parameter called file name with a default value of data. And I will assign this parameter as the file name for the Excel report. And for the mode, I'll select create new file. And here is an important setting. I'm selecting overwrite for when a file with the same name already exists. So this way, if I need to convert the same CSVs again, I just run the workflow and it overwrites the old files. No errors, no manual deleting. And just click apply. Now I will go back to the main module, and this is where we set up the logic to process all 10 CSV files. First, I will add an action called list of files, and I will select the folder path where our CSV files are. For the columns, it automatically selected file name with full path. So this gives us all 10 files listed with their complete folder path. Just click on apply, and if you see all 10 CSV files listed with their full paths. Now I will add an action called calculate new column. I'm naming this new column as CSV underscore 2 underscore Excel. and I'm going to open the expression editor, and I'm going to use the file name function. Just double click on the function, it will insert in the expression editor. So now I will select the column file name with full path. So what it does is it takes the full file path, extracts just the file name, and removes the .csv extension automatically. And now I will add .xlsx extension. So now the sales underscore team dot CSV becomes sales underscore team dot XLSX. So this creates the new file name for each Excel file. Just click on apply, and now we have a new column with the Excel file names ready to go. So now the final piece, I will add an action called iterate. So this is what ties everything together. Now I will set module to run module 1. That's the module we created earlier with the import and export actions. And this iteration mode is set to iterate, meaning it will run module 1 once for each row in our list. Since we have 10 CSV files, it will run 10 times. And now matching the parameters, uh, the folder path parameter in module 1 maps to the file name with full path column. This tells the module which CSV file to import, and the file name parameter maps with the CSV to Excel column. This tells the module what to name the Excel file. And click apply. Before running all actions, I will save this project or else it throws an error. So let me go ahead and save this project and name it as CSV underscore 2 underscore Excel. And now click run all actions, and that's it, done. And now all 10 CSV files have been converted to the Excel files. And that's it. Now, anytime you have CSV files in a folder that need to be converted to Excel, you just point this workflow to the folder and run it. 10 files, 100 files, it doesn't matter. EasyMorph converts them all in seconds.